Solibri Inside is a powerful web-based tool that can be conveniently accessed from the window menu in Vectorworks. Continuing the series of checks, let's take a look at another check known as Handicap Accessible Check. This rule specifically verifies if doors in the model have the accessible property set to true in accordance with BuildingSmart specifications. We can observe how the rule has been parameterized for the IFC door entity in the editor. Running a model check for the first time will prompt you to export the model to IFC, which will enable the tool to identify any errors in the model. As the results indicate, these doors do not have the handicap accessible property set to true. The doors can be easily selected in model, and the information can be changed as required. As you have noticed, the selection of the components can be visualized in both 2D and 3D. After making the necessary changes, you can verify the changes by running the same check again and exporting the model. If you run a different check, you can either export the model again or use the existing IFC export. You can communicate these errors further by using create issue, and it will be populated in Vectorworks integrated BCF manager.